YouTube. Welcome to HTS. My name is Leo. Thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel, I teach a lot of how to get traffic to your websites, how to make landing pages, funnels, etc. And if you're in a hurry, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification button just down below so you can get notified when I'm making these new videos. So, do you believe in yourself? I'm pretty sure you do because you stopped by my channel and you're probably looking at it like first you're wondering who's this guy, and then like, okay, if he can do it, I can do it type of thing. And it's true because if anybody can do it, so can you and I. So keep that in mind. And then for this lesson I want to show you, I want to get started here. I actually want to go to the bottom right here and bring up to one. If you want to advertise, now this is going to probably not probably, it is going to resort into a little bit of money coming out of your pocket, but let me kind of show you here what you can do to get your potential offers out there. And I did make a previous video of something like this, but it was based on a couple different websites. On this website, I'm going to be focused on just this website, this platform, nationwideadvertising.com. I am not promoting it. I do not have an affiliate link in my description. If you do want to get a copy of my book, there will be a link in the description. So let's get started here. And I'm going to kind of guide you through this. The reason I want to remake this is because I want to kind of guide you because I'm pretty sure you heard about low ticket offers, mid ticket offers, high ticket. And for example, right here, Thrifty Nickel. Thrifty Nickel is huge. It's been around forever. But do you think Thrifty Nickel people in here want to buy a high ticket product? Most likely not. They're going to want something, let's say you're making like $20 commission off this product. It's like a $47 product, $50 product. Then you could probably go right here to Thrifty Nickel and they have a price set right here. And I'm just going to click on this one. I want to go through a few other ones. So stick around till the end of this video because I want to show you where you have the potential to make high ticket sales and low ticket sales. So right here, advertise on Thrifty Nickel, American Classified Newspaper Group. Buy includes print, online, plus free border. Regular price $3.79. They're having a sale price for $2.65. So you would always do your due diligence. See how Thrifty Nickel's doing. If you have to go to, for example, how many people are coming right here to, let's see if I didn't even check this before I started, but SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is not showing nothing right now on Nationwide Advertising, but you could always go and look for Thrifty Nickel. I don't know if it's .com or what. Let's see what it says down here. You could also give them a call or an email. I don't know why that popped back up. You could give them a call or email to see how it's doing. Their emails right here, sales@nationwideadvertising.com. And you can see if this is worth you putting an ad here. You just click here, you put an ad. So that's one place. Thrifty Nickel most likely be for a, for let's say something cheap, something not too high, a low ticket product, $50 maybe. Let's see where else. And I'm going to kind of go through a few of these here because there's a lot, guys, girls. Look, USA Today. USA Today is huge. They always put it on like CNN. You see the commercials. I don't know if you have, but I have. And let's see where else. Let's see. There's some right here on the left side. Thrifty Nickel, Penny Savers, large weekly group buys, cheap online advertising. But from my experience, you kind of get what you pay for, I should say. A lot of those free places to post. I've sold things, not digital related, but other things like car parts, whatever. Those are for like the free stuff. And Legal notice advertising. So magazines. Remember to look at magazines, people. You could go to magazine.com to see what popular magazine or fit the niche of the product that you're promoting. So that would be magazine.com, and let's see if it'll. Magazine.com. There it is right there. Because remember, if there's a magazine out there, that means, it costs a lot of money to have a magazine. So magazine.com, you go in here and you put your information. I got mine in there, and you just log in there. So you can see, first, you are already a member. Okay. So I just want to show you magazine.com, because if you could find a magazine, let's say you're promoting golf products or something, there is golf is a big industry, and just a few pointers here. Really think about who plays golf, what kind of people play golf. Think about that for a little bit. You're most likely going to resort to doctors, lawyers, people that get paid a lot of money. So that's why it's good to do check out the magazines and just do your due diligence, because last thing you want to do is put something in an ad where it doesn't belong. And I want to go back over here and let's see what else we can find. Advertise 7 million weekly circulation, 200 plus cities, great coverage. All right, they got a price right here for $5.99. That's kind of a lot. But let's click over here on USA Today. Advertising in the USA Today newspaper. In the number one nationwide newspaper in the United States. Number one, people, look. Number one. USA Today. You know how many people pick this up and read it? And it's very nice that they can see your ad there when they pick it up. So what would be in USA Today? Let's see. Smart Markets delivers results. The USA reaches, over 44 million unduplicated consumers via print. So there's a lot of potential here, everybody. A lot of potential. You could, like I said, you're going to have to use some money. Let me see how this looks when you place an ad. Pretty simple. Look at that. It's going to, advertise. Okay, this is going to cost. I'm not going to place an order right now. I'm just kind of showing you. $3.40. Okay. You can use PayPal. You can use whatever card you want to do. You put your ad copy there, so make sure your ad copy it grabs their eyes, their attention. Make sure the words are just correct. And before you place anything in here, you might want to, let's see, go over here. Make sure you read through all this everywhere you place ad, because you want to know if you're going to be able to reach out to these people, just in case your ad, if you're following it and it's not working, you can call them. Most of them, you could call them, or you can leave them an email letting them know you either did some updates on your landing page, your website, or you want to change your ad copy because it's just not grabbing attention. So USA Today, there's so many different options you have here where you can place your ad. This one right here, it says place a 1-inch ad in USA Today Friday edition marketplace, advertising the USA Today's best value, advertising in the USA Today weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday edition. Readership over 1.6 million, ad size in 2-inch and 2x73 wide. So it's letting you know how big your ad has to be and what days it's going to be showing, and that's very important. But always keep an eye on the price. If you do have the money to spend $3,700 plus, okay. If not, you're gonna want to go. What is it? I always run tests first when I do mine. I always start with the cheapest package, the cheapest everything, just to see how it runs. So, just a few pointers as I'm making this video. It's always good to start small because it might look appealing to you, but not to them. Remember, it's not about you, it's about your new potential customer. So you could go here, check out the privacy policy, send email. Let's see what else we got. Advertise in 1 million newspapers, 20 cities, special only, $180. 1 million paper, print, and on sale special and nationwide newspaper. Top sellers to test an ad. This network includes 20 cities in print and online at the low cost of $180. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. And then you pick your package. And then advertise in the million print. Okay, what week? Where do you want your ad to appear? Look right here. If you're college newspapers. Now, right now, I'm not sure how the colleges are doing because of the pandemic. A lot of people are working. A lot of students are doing stuff from home still. But for the near future that's coming, let's say you're advertising. Maybe somebody's sick of going to college and they want to get into the online entrepreneurship. Well, then you could promote a product to this paper right here, America's Best Colleges, and potentially get some new customers, some sales, stuff like that. Remember, you can learn all the landing pages you want. You can learn how to make all the websites you want, whatever it may be, landing pages, websites, blogs, whatever. But if you're not putting your product and service out into the world, it's not going to matter. So you have to take action, everybody. You really got to take action. You got to remember, it is a competitive. It's got more competitive now because of the pandemic. People are learning to work online. So, magazine advertising rates. Let's see what kind of magazines they got here. Oh, look. I hope you stay till this time right here in the video because National Enquirer. You see that everywhere. You go to every Smith's grocery store. It's at Walmart. It's all in those places. What would you want to promote on there? Advertise in the Essence magazine. This looks like somewhere where you could potentially sell skin products. Ebony, Alicia, okay. Advertise on Ebony magazine. I don't know what that one is. That's kind of real high in price though. Advertise on Money magazine. Ooh, money, wealth. A lot of people want health, wealth, relationships. So, right here on advertise on Money magazine, $5.99. It's kind of a lot, but depending on the product you're promoting, how much could you get back? So, like I said, you have to really do your due diligence. Let me click on this and see what pops up. Money magazine is the ultimate buying resource of affluent investors and business executives. Every month, technology savvy decision makers consult Money for the latest tips, resources, and information. Circulation 1.9 million. Okay, readers 8 million. So this has a lot of potential right here because a lot of people who read this magazine, they either want wealth or they want to learn how to get there. They're not there right now, but they're dreamers. They think of luxury. They think of a different lifestyle than what they have. You just want a little more out of life while we're here. So there's a lot of potential here, everybody. A lot of potential here, and it's up to you to take action. I just wanted to make this video because the last time I made my little video on it, I didn't really stick around for this long. I jumped around from 3 different platforms, but you can stick around. You could go to my my other stop by my videos and see what other places I have for forums, cold email strategies. I got a lot of this stuff in here that I've been making on this channel. So go ahead and stick around. If you like what you've seen, please hit the subscribe button. Please give me a thumbs up. If not, no worries. Leave a comment below. And I really appreciate you sticking around to watch this video. See you next time. Bye.